The goal of the link insertion strategy is to get contextual placements in articles that mention your blog post's target keyword but are not directly competing with you. For example, we recently released a guide on content distribution and would like to find some other non-competing blog posts that have briefly mentioned the topic. Here in this guide, the main topic is repurposing webinars, but the author has talked about content distribution. This makes it the perfect place where we can pitch our article to be included. Let's see how we can find such opportunities inside of Respona. First, enter the URL of the content you'd like to promote. We'll be using respona.com/blog/content distribution. The second field is for specific keywords that are relevant to your content. You can use Respona's AI keyword suggestion tool to come up with a list of related keywords for your content. In this example, I can ask it to develop a list of subtopics and niche areas related to content distribution. The next field is your content's general category. In our example, it's SEO, so this will be used to narrow down the search to websites relevant to your niche. In the fourth field, describe what makes your content unique in 1 to 2 brief sentences. For example, we would say that in our content distribution guide, we've shared our tried and tested strategies to growing our blog's traffic to 100,000 sessions each month. In the last field, explain what incentives you can offer your prospects in return for referencing your content. In this example, I'm going to say, as a thank you, I'd love to reference your guide in the next guest article I'm writing. You can get creative when it comes to offering incentives, but make sure to take the recipient's interests into consideration. Now for the campaign editor. Click Use this template to get into the campaign editor. First up, let's spice up the default template to increase our chances of success by avoiding spam words, adding an unsubscribe option, and setting a friendly follow-up timer. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable. It'll automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign according to the content on the recipient's website and increase your reply rates. Next up, finding opportunities. For this strategy, Respona uses the Google scraper to find opportunities. It has already put together your search strings with advanced search operators. You can also hover your cursor over the queries and click on the preview button to look at the search results before running the search. All you have to do on this screen is click continue and add some SEO filters to narrow down the results even further. Click continue again, and you'll see that the contact search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the most relevant employees for each website, such as the content or SEO managers. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around a 5th grade level and stick to short sentences with minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring every couple of weeks. This will automatically rerun the search every couple of weeks, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click the Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen in real time. You don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed. Respona will send you an email once the automation is done. When you're ready, you can move to the final step, review and launch. Here, you can make manual edits and, of course, review your AI variables. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. We recommend also sending them a connection request in LinkedIn to create another touchpoint and increase the chances of getting a reply. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out for responses. So that's link insertion for you. It's one of our favorite link building strategies because of just how effective it is and easy it is to find opportunities.